In our previous sprint, we started creating some prototypes, so some mock ups of web pages of the service manual. And in our previous sprint, we tested some of those with our colleagues here at the Centre for Digital Public Services to test out whether some of our language, some of the navigation between pages, and some of the content made sense and people were able to use it. And we had some learning questions around that and gathered some insights from the testing. In our next sprint, we have now tweaked some of those web page prototypes based on what we've learned in our previous sprints. And we are now talking to some users outside of the Centre for Digital Public Services. They are people working in digital, data, technology all across Wales. And we are doing one-to-one user research interviews with these people and showing them the prototypes of different pages of the service manual to see whether it makes sense to them, whether it would be useful in their context and in their work, and to gather some new insights and ideas about how we can improve the existing pages that we've designed and what other new pages we need to create as well. We are going to be holding a show and tell session to share with you some of the insights that we've been gathering over the last few weeks and to hear some of your ideas and input about where we can take things next and what would be useful in a service manual that will help us here in Wales.